Okie dokie. Let's start these buffalo chicken nachos up. First thing you want to do is cook up a pound of chicken in some oil. Season it with salt and pepper and cook until it's 165 internally. The way I did mine was I got it lightly colored in the pan and put the pan in a 300-degree oven till it was done. Okay, get your nacho chips on a sheet tray. As you can see, I cooked and cut up the chicken into little bite-sized pieces. By the way, you should be preheating your oven to about 400 degrees. And just spread the chicken around. And then you want to drizzle on a little bit of buffalo sauce. And then drizzle on some ranch dressing. And then you want to add some blue cheese crumbles. If you don't like blue cheese for whatever reason, you can skip this step, but well, that just means you're weird. And then add 2 cups of cheddar cheese, and then just pop this in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes until the cheese is melted. Alright, and after 5 to 7 minutes, you should have something that looks like this. And that's buffalo chicken nachos. Done.